In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscription product to Payhip. We'll walk through this using a course as an example, but the same process also applies to memberships and coaching services. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a recurring payment plan for your digital products. First, log into your Payhip dashboard. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar and find the option labeled Products. Click on that and you'll be taken to your product list. This is where all of your existing products are displayed. To create something new, head to the top right corner of this page and click on Add New Product. When the page reloads, you'll see different product types that you can create. Payhip lets you set up subscription pricing for 3 product categories: courses, memberships, and coaching services. For this walkthrough, we'll choose course, just to clearly show the subscription setup. But remember that the steps are almost identical for the other 2 options. Next, you'll be asked to enter a title for your course. Type in a clear, descriptive name so your customers immediately understand what they're signing up for. Once you've added your course title, click on Add Course at the bottom right. The page will reload again, and now you'll see the Course Builder interface. This is where you can edit sections, add lessons, and manage other content related to your course. At the top of this page, you'll notice several tabs that let you control different aspects of the product. We're not going to dive into all of them right now. Instead, focus on the tab labeled Pricing and click on it. On the pricing page, you'll see that you don't have any pricing plans yet. To create one, go to the top right and click Add Pricing Plan. A pop-up window will appear where you can configure how customers will pay for this course. Inside this pop-up, you'll see different pricing options. Choose the subscription option. Keep in mind that you'll need a Stripe account connected to your Payhip store in order to accept subscription payments, so make sure that's set up beforehand. Now, enter the price you want to charge for the subscription. Next to the price field, there's a drop-down menu where you can choose how often customers will be billed. You can set it to weekly, every 2 weeks, monthly, every 3 months, every 6 months, or yearly. Pick the billing interval that makes the most sense for your offer. Below that, add a clear name for this pricing plan. This can be something like monthly access or annual subscription, just so both you and your customers can easily identify it. When everything looks good, click Add Pricing Plan at the bottom right of the pop-up. You've now created a subscription pricing plan for your course. If you want to offer more options, like both a monthly and a yearly plan, you can repeat the same process and add multiple pricing plans to the same product. And that's all there is to it. The exact same steps apply if you're setting up a subscription for a membership or a coaching service product inside Payhip.